Hello my loving kids. Again I am here with this video with the explanation of exercise 6.5.
Now children, see, today I am going to explain you HCF. What is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. What it is? The largest common factor of two or more numbers is called the highest common factor. We can say the largest or the highest common factor. The name से ही आपको क्लियर है, जो highest common factor हो, common factor निकालना हमने सीखा है, तो उसमें जो highest हो, that is termed as HCF. See this remember point children. The HCF of two or more numbers can be less than or equal to that number. या तो उससे less हो सकता है, or you can say it can be equal to that number, not more than. Now to find the HCF, we have several methods. The first method is by listing factors. Turn the page children. Another method is by prime factorization. Third is by common division method. And the last one is by long division method. Now how to do it? Let's see. Now see the first example. Finding HCF by listing factors. By this method, by listing the factors, we will find out. See, you have to find the HCF of 24, 30 and 42. So, you need to write the factors of all the numbers. Like factors of 42, you know the factors how to find. 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 3 8 and 4 6. Then similarly for 30 and for 42 you will be writing. Now see the common one. 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common and 6 is common. Now children, now below it we can see what are the common factors. 1, 2, 3 and 6. But which is the highest one? Highest factor is 6. So therefore HCF of this question is 6. This is your answer. Now I am explaining you with the A part from the book exercise 6.5. Now see, you have to find the HCF of 42 and 84. So you need to write the HCF of 42. Now see children, earlier I explained you can write like this. 1 into 42, then 2 into 21. But now we will do directly. How? Write down 1. In the table of 1 it comes for 42. Write down here. Now put commas. Now for 2, 2 into 21. Now see for 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. It comes in the table of 3. 3 orally you can do. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Now in the table of 4 it do not come. In the table of 5 it do not come. In the table of 6, yes, 6 7s are. Now children see, the nearest number we got it, that means these all are the factors of 42. Similarly children, we will find the factors of 84 as well. Now see, what are the common factors? We can see this one, you will make circle like this. 2 is common, 3 is common, then 6, then 7, then 14, 21 and 42. So these are the common factors. So here we can write common factors is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 28. Sorry. 42. Now children see, which is the highest common factor is 42. So therefore HCF of 42 and 84 is equal to 42 answer. I hope it is clear. Now children see the next method. Finding HCF by prime factorization. You know how to find the prime factors and what are prime factor. This also I explain you. Now see this example. Find the HCF of 18, 24, 36 using prime factorization method. Now In front of 18, you write the prime factors 2 into 3 into 3. Now for 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. By this method, you can find the prime factors. Now for 36 also, you find. So now find out the common prime factors. So commonly they are जो तीनों में common हो. 2, 3 is commonly among 3. So now the HCF of 18, 24 and 36 is 2 into 3. These two terms, these two numbers we will take. These two prime numbers we will take. 2 into 3, that means 6 is our answer. Now the A part of the exercise we will solve here. Now again we have to find the HCF by prime factorization method. So children, prime factors of 42. For that now you need the rough column. You know how to find the prime numbers. 2, 21. Now this is not even. This will go by 3. 3 sevens are. So these are the prime numbers of 42. Write it here. 2 into 3 into 7. Clear? Now for 63 also we will be doing similarly. Now this is not even. We will divide this number by 3. 3 twos are, 3 ones are. Now again 3 sevens are. So the prime factors of 63 are 3 into 3 into 7. Now children, see which are the common numbers. This 2 is not common, this 3 is common and this 7. These two are the common numbers, so we can write common prime factors is equal to 3 and 7. So HCF, therefore HCF of 42 and 63 is equal to product of these two prime numbers. 3 sevens are 21. This is our answer. Now see the third method of finding the HCF, that is common division method. See beta, नाम से ही clear है, common division method means we will divide all the given numbers जिसका भी हमको HCF निकालना है. We will do the common division. So to find the HCF of 24, 36 and 60. Now all together we will take. 24 is divided by 2, you will get 12. Then 36 when you divide by 2, you get 18. Then 60 when you divide by 2, you get 30. Now again all the numbers are even. We can again divide by 2. So 12 is divided by 2, you get 6. Then 9 and then 15. Now children see, 6 is an even number but 9 and 15 are not even. So they will not go by 2. So we will be dividing these numbers by 3. So you get 2, 3 and 5. Now these numbers do not come in a similar table. That means these numbers cannot be divided by any common number. So we will leave it as it is. So these are the HCF. We will find the product of these numbers 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 to the 4. 4 3 is a 12. 12 is your answer. Now children, have a look on these questions. Here we have to find the HCF by common division method. So children, for this A part, you will be making the line. Common division method, you will make a line and both the numbers, all the numbers together you will write. To see, now you have to find a divisor which can divide these two numbers. कि ये दोनों numbers एक ही number से divide हो. We have only 124 and 135 is a 35, no other number. So therefore HCF of 24 and 35 is 1. Is it clear? Don't get confused. The HCF of 24 and 35 is 1 only. Now see the HCF of 36 and 252. We will write them. Now make lines. Now both are even. We can divide by 2. 2 18s are. Now better try to do orally. 2 1s are. Then 2 2s are 4. 1 is remainder. Now 2 6 are 12. Again by 2 you get 9 and 2 6 are 2 3s are. Now both can be divided by 3. 3 and 3 21s are. Now again by 3. 3 1s are and 3 7s are. Now leave them as it is. So HCF of 36 and 252. Children see, always write this side number. Okay, don't include this one. So the HCF will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now check it out. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. This is your answer. Now children see the last type. long division method. Okay, now don't get confused. This is common division method, means सबको एक साथ हम divide करेंगे. And now this is long division method. Let's see it. To find the HCF of two given numbers, first divide the larger number by the smaller number. As we do, हम larger number को dividend बनाएंगे और smaller number को divisor. So like in this example, find the HCF of 120 and 521. So 521 is a dividend and we will divide it by 120. Now there is one more condition. If the remainder is not 0, अगर आपका remainder 0 नहीं बचता है, then divide the divisor by the remainder. आप वो जो remainder आया है उसको divisor बना देंगे और जो divisor आपका था previous step में उसको हम dividend बना देंगे. Let's see here. 512 divided by 120. Now when you divide by 4 you get 480. Now this is remainder 32 और आपके पास digits भी नहीं है. So this is a final remainder. So अब ये 120 आपका नीचे as a dividend हो जाएगा. Now divide this 120 by 32. That means by 3. 96, 3 is 96. Now 24 is the remainder. Now again this 32 will become dividend. Now you will divide by 1. 24 ones are 24, 8 is the remainder. Now this 24 will come here. Now you will divide 8 3s are 24. Children, we get confused. This is not the HCF. The last, see here, the last divisor of HCF, when you divide, when you do this process, the last divisor is the HCF. That is your answer. Let's see this A part of question number 4, exercise 6.5. See, now we will make this 28 dividend and 12 as divisor. That means we will divide the larger number by the smaller number. So you know 12 twos is 24. Now what is left? 4. Now this divisor we will make it dividend 12. 4 threes are 12. Now we get the 0. Now question is completed. You can write last divisor is equal to 4. This one you can see. So therefore HCF of 12 and 28 is 4. This is our answer. Now children, we have to find the HCF by long division method of these three numbers. अब जब हमारे पास 3 numbers होंगे तो simply first do the method जो अभी हमने explain किया था of these two with these two numbers. Like this 420 divided by 60. So directly you can do 6 7s is 42. So 60 into 7 is 420. 0 is left. So therefore HCF, this is our step 1. HCF of 60 and 420 is 60. Clear? Now this is our step 2. Now divide 924, the remaining number, by this HCF 60. Now divide it. 924 divided by 60. 61s are, we will take 2 digits. 61s are 60. What is left? 2 and 3. Now this 4 you will copy down. Now see, अभी division हमारा complete नहीं हुआ है, तो we will not make this 60. We will complete this division. 60, 5s are 300. Now this is our final remainder. Now we will make this divisor as dividend. 24 2s are 48. What is left? 12. Now this 24, 12 2s are is 24. Now we finally get 0. So last divisor is this one, this 12. So therefore HCF of 60, 420 and 924 is 12. This is your final answer. Is it clear, children? Now children, I have explained you all these 4 methods. Practice them and do this exercise 6.5. By question 1 you have to do by listing factors. Second you have to do by prime factorization. Third question you have to do by common division method. Means सबको एक साथ लेके you have to divide. And the last you have to do by long division method. And the shortlisted question I will be giving you in the worksheet.